Yo, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to draw a haunted house for spooky season drawing tutorials. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Now, today's the last day of September. We have October right around the corner. Do you guys have anything cool planned for October? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Let's go down to the
So for the first step in making our haunted house, we're going to begin by making one line going from left to right across the page. Awesome. Now above the line, up to the left, we're going to make a small pumpkin. Great, now for this next step, we're going to make another line up top, but in between these two lines, we're going to add squares. Now for this step, we're going to make another line. This line will be almost in the middle of the page, and it will be going from left to right. Now underneath this line, over on the left side, we're going to make a column. It will appear as if the column is holding up the line that we just made. Let's go ahead and make a parallel line underneath of the line that we just made. Now on the right hand side, we're going to make a second column. Now by the time we finish the second column, what we have made so far should look similar to a square. Fantastic, now let's move a little bit up. We're going to begin to make the top part of the house. So over on the left hand side, we're going to make one line going diagonal. Now from that diagonal line that we make, we're going to make one line going from left to right. Now from that line that we just drew, we're going to make two lines that will be going up. Now a little bit over to the right, we're going to make an upside down V. Now we're going to connect a line to the top of the V that we just made, and then we're going to make the line go a little bit over to the right. Now let's go ahead and connect the top right half side of the house to the bottom right half side of the house. Fantastic. Now we started the top left-hand side of the house, but we didn't finish it just quite yet. So we're going to move over there and we're going to start to work on it right now. So just like we made an upside down V on the right-hand side, we're going to do the same thing on the left-hand side. Now, a little to the right of what we just made, we're going to make a small chimney. Now, inside of that small V-like shape that we made earlier, we're going to go ahead and add a small window. That looks so cool. Now, every house has a front door, so we're going to go ahead and make a front door right by our pumpkin. Inside of the door, we're going to make it appear as if there's small eyes. Later on in the video, we're going to color in those eyes yellow. Now, next to the door that we just made, we're going to make a small window. Inside of this window, we're going to add small eyes as well. Now, in between the door and the window that we just made, we're going to go ahead and make a porch light. Next to the porch light, let's go ahead and make a second window. Whoa, this house is coming along very well. In the top left-hand corner of the house, we're going to make it appear as if there's two open windows side by side. That looks so dope. Now for this next step, we're going to go ahead and make some shingles on the roof. Now a little bit over to the right, we're going to make an L-like shape directly below the upside down V that we have. Now let's bounce back to making shingles. Now in the empty space that we have above those shingles, we're going to go ahead and make another window. Inside of this window, we're going to make two eyes. We're going to make these eyes yellow at the end of the video. Now we're not finished making shingles just yet. We have some more to make up top, which we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Well, we've really came a long way since the beginning of this video, so if you want to take a small break or pause the video right now, you can do so. Now let's get back to finishing this haunted house. We're going to move up into the top left hand corner and we're going to add some more shingles. Alright, we're almost finished. We just have to push through a little bit farther. Now underneath of the window down below, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of detail. Okay, now we're all done with the house. We have to make a cool background, right? So I'm going to go ahead and add a moon for the background in the top right hand corner. So we're just going to make a big circle. Now in total, I'm going to make 2 bats. I'm going to make 1 bat inside of the moon I just made, and then I'm going to make 1 over to the left hand side. If you want to make no bats or more bats, that's completely okay as well.